Welcome to Julie's writing tutorial for Creative Writer's Vlog. Hi writers, today we're going to discuss the right mindset to become a writer or author. This is part 1, Killing the Demons of Creative Writing. Do you have the right mindset to be a writer or author? By the end of this discussion, I'm hoping to free your mind. I want to discuss a few things that prevent writers from reaching their goals and bring awareness to help you learn and grow creatively. Creativity is essential for artistic work, and especially for writers. Writing creatively requires authors to produce ideas and use their imagination. Yet a writer must be willing to break down the walls of fear, ego, and self-doubt for ideas to flow. Most difficult is the need to disregard words of discouragement. Discouragement can appear unexpectedly. It may be the voice of family, friends, or peers. Yet critical thinking, that intrusive inner voice that imprisons writers, is a writer's worst critic. Let's face it, many of us struggle to write. All writers have inner demons. They shout at us regularly, making accusations that we're not intelligent, disciplined, or creative enough to make a career out of writing. I can't write, I'm no good at it, we tell ourselves. But it's a lie. The reality is that we haven't fully utilized our writing abilities. To achieve that, we must overcome procrastination and be true to ourselves. I ask you, ardent writer, poet, and storyteller, are you allowing life to pass you by without realizing your dream? If you are, it's time to tear off the mask and reveal your deepest and most intimate self. Your success depends on it. Let's consider a quality that defines successful writers. Creativity is the innate fuel that makes a writer shine. Yet creativity is elusive. It can be a strength or a weakness. As individuals, we have the power to utilize or suppress creativity in any form, including writing. We can ignite and nurture creativity or douse it with neglect and denial. And therein lies the problem. We procrastinate because we feel inadequate and vulnerable. We're afraid of what others will think of our artistic efforts. We fail to see the link between our fears and our critical inner voice. This is the danger of the ego. We shield ourselves from others when in reality, we should be afraid of our own inadequacies. Self-doubt is debilitating. Yet no one else can prevent us from developing creativity into an outlet of powerful expression. No one can stop us from turning our passion into skills and those skills into talents. I regret to inform you that we as writers often do this before anyone can respond. Unfortunately, many of us will never achieve our dreams of becoming writers or authors. No one will see our articles, read the books, or understand the passion burning in our souls. Don't let this happen to you, courageous writer. Free your mind from the demons of self-doubt, blame, and excuses. Be expressive, happy, and live up to your dreams. Your writing future is in your hands. Love and happy writing.